All right, this is an episode that comes after that last episode. I'm sure that helped you out. Okay, so essentially we discussed that we were going to make a paste with glue and fill in the cavities and let it set up just a little bit. So that's what I did. I used way more Gorilla Glue than I thought I would have to. So, there you go. All in a day's experience. So now, really all I gotta do, I hope it goes smooth, is set these guys in like so. And my hopes are that it's going to settle in and do the job for me. I have to move you aside. And after we get it roughly set, we'll have a look again and make sure that it's everything is where it needs to be. You never know what you're going to be doing in your wood shop. It's always fascinating to me. So, all right, now we're going to take them and seat them in a little bit more. Keep them on their blocks. Okay, all right. Things are going pretty smooth so far. Smoother than I had anticipated. Once it sets up, I'll go a little bit. I will come back and start knocking off some of the glue, this putty here. I can already start feeling it setting up. It's already setting up, which is nice. One of the disadvantages I have here in the wood shop is that it's cold. So I have a heater down here that I'll be very closely monitoring. Now let's stand up and get a bird's eye view. So there you go. Make sure they're approximately where they need to go. Scusi. I think we're doing good here. All right, let's give one more look from above. Let's push them in a little bit more. There's only one of them that seems looser than I'd like it to be. But I think at the end of the day, it's going to be just fine. All right, thanks for watching. I was just going to do this and not video it, but I thought maybe the folks want to see this. There we go. Shalom Aleichem, Masalami Totzens, Zajen. Arrivederci.